Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Motion from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out I'm going to show you Microsoft Stream and how I use that to capture video, just like I'm doing right now. I'm actually using Loom for this particular case. I use either Loom.com or I use Stream, depending. So let's open up, and I'm sure you've got it. I've done a lot of SharePoint tutorials, so if you've been following those tutorials, you probably have Stream, I would assume. So get into your Office. I don't know why it doesn't always come up. Just to be a pain in the butt squeeze, I'm sure. All right, and then usually I just click on this, and usually I just go to All Apps, and I can explore All Apps. Okay, and there's Stream right there. So we'll just open that up. That's going to open in a new tab. And as long as I'm here, I'm just going to open up SharePoint as well. Okay. And specifically, I'll open up Making Comic Studios. All right, I'll just have that open for just a minute when I show you something. So you can create groups. You can create channels. Pretty simple as far as that's concerned. If you want to break up or share your videos, depending on the people that are in that particular group, obviously, or that channel. So you just go into group, and eventually it will open. I don't know what is going on with this program today. All right, there we go. All right, I'm just going to call it My Media Helper Group. All right, that's going to be the address associated with it. It's going to create, so I'm going to create this group. Okay, and then you can add members. I'm the only one that has a license on this particular Microsoft on these particular Microsoft apps, so I'll just add myself, and then you can add whomever's in your group. All right, and then yeah, and then we're done there. There we go. Let's get out of this. All right, and then you can add your channel. And then I'll just do the same thing. My media. I'll call it Making Studios. Can be a group channel, company-wide channel. Groups would be Media Helper would be the group that I'll add to this particular channel. And you can add a logo if you want. I'll just add that logo for now, and then create. All right, so we've got a channel, we've got a group, just got to add the content to it. So if you want to capture just like we're doing now, what we're going to do is go to, and there's other stuff. I'm sorry, I go to create. There's other stuff you can do. You can upload videos if you need to. In this case, we're going to record screen or video, and then we're going to allow. I'm not sure if that's going to take away from what I'm doing or not. We'll see. I don't know if it's a conflict between Loom and Microsoft, but that will be an experiment we will try right now. So you can either do you can do the same in Loom. You can do screen capture only if you don't want your face on there, camera only, or both. And that's what I'm doing right. That's what you're seeing right now through Loom. We're just going to do it in Microsoft Stream. Okay, so that's open. That's open. And there I am here. So you can just pull yourself over. You can resize yourself. Oh my God, there's two of me. How scary. All right, this is interesting. I've never done both at the same time, so this should be interesting. Okay, so I'm going to share that screen. It's counting down. Obviously, we'll hide this, and now it's recording. Okay, we're just doing a testing of Microsoft Stream for this tutorial. And I'm going to hit next, and let's see if that works. Let's see how that worked out. It's counting down. Obviously, we'll hide this, and now it's recording. Okay, we're just doing a testing of Microsoft Stream for this tutorial. All right, that's so weird. Okay, we'll upload the stream. We'll give it a name. We'll do testing tutorial or something like that. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. A description if you want. It's English. Allow everyone in your company to view this video if you want. Totally up to you. and you see it process through. So usually I don't publish. Usually just save draft. It's up to you. If you publish, then people can see it. If you save draft, it's you can go back and fix whatever you need to fix, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Just keep in mind. So with Loom, the recording time is 5 minutes. So you might see edits all the time in my video, maybe like every 5 minutes, just because it only allows 5 minutes for the free service recording time. This allows 15 minutes, and you can see it right there on the screen there. 15 minutes. So depending on what type of video I'm doing, I'll use Stream or Loom. Depends on what mood I'm in. So let's go to Save Draft. Let's go to my videos. And you can see all this stuff I got to get rid of. So if you're going to download this, let me show you something. So download video. And let me show you what format it downloads in. Let's go to properties. So it downloads in this WEBM file, WEBM. I mean, you can convert that online, but that's a pain in the butt. What you can do is go in here and do a trim. So just leave about like a second after you're filming and trim it up. All right, and then put apply. Okay, and we're gonna let that do its thing. We'll go back to videos. So you can see here it's trimming now, and you can go back and edit. Do English, do people. We can do groups. I can do my. Okay, so my media helper, and you can do people. Whoever you want to invite to this thing. All right, you can make them owners, obviously. All right, and here's where you can publish. So I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. It's no big deal. I'm the only one that can see it. But if you're publishing it, whomever's in these groups, people or groups, I should say, they're going to see it. So let's go back to videos, and it's still trimming. So if you want to get rid of things, you just click on that and delete it. And as you can see, you can replace the video if you need to. And let's click on that. I've never replaced a video. Drag here from browse to upload. Oh, okay. So you can drag over. Let's just drag something over and see what happens. I'm not really sure what will happen. Never had any reason to do it. I'm trying to find something simple. Here we go. Okay, let's replace. Okay, keeps all that information. I'm assuming it's doing its thing. And that's replacing right now. Okay, let's go back to videos. Okay, so this is done. That's replacing. All right, so look what happens in this video that we trimmed. So now we're going to download the video. Okay, we'll go back to my folder, drag it back over here. And then if we go to properties, all right, so now it's MP4 format, and now I can bring it to any of my editing, be it Microsoft Editor or Pinnacle Studio, which I normally use. All right, and that's replacing there. And yeah, that's about it. That's the skinny of the whole thing. It's pretty simple. And I almost forgot something that I wanted to show you. I was going to sign off and say thank you and everything. If you want to go into your groups, you can go into here in your channels, and then you can go in and you should be able to edit them from here. You can go and edit. So you can edit whatever you need from there. So that's where those are sitting. All right, up here. And I almost forgot this. So let's use gems. Let's use this one that I've uploaded. We'll just go into this. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to go into the video itself. And I want to go to share. All right, I'm gonna copy this embed code right here. And this is the reason that I opened up SharePoint in the first place, because I wanted to show you you can embed it. You can embed it on any website as long as it's open, to everyone. But you can embed the code right here. And there you go. All right. And then we just republish, publish. And there we go. So that's how you embed that in SharePoint. Sorry, almost forgot to do that for you. So now I can end it. I can say I appreciate you, as always, gals and guys. If you could subscribe to the channel, I would most appreciate it. We've gotten, it's going up in subscription rates. So if you keep, if you're watching these videos and you keep watching these videos, I appreciate it. Certainly like if you like this video, like it if you don't like this video. Come on now. And then please share. Did I say share? And hit the bell. I always forget. And hit the bell for updates. And I will catch you later. Bye-bye.